We set out to find the best car vacuum cleaner available to solve your car cleaning needs. We lined up a test for the ages, pitting 14 vacuums of varying shapes and sizes against each other on as even a playing field as possible. The tests included noise readings, suction power, ease of disposal, battery life, and of course, how well they suck up different kinds of debris on a floor. Here's what we found.
So you don't have to use the brushless at all time. So guys, I hope this gave you an idea of what you should be expecting inside the box, how it works and everything like that.
Alright guys, so we have the vacuum in our hands. I have it plugged in and it's actually really lightweight to use right now. It's actually not really dragging my hand down or anything like that. As you can see, I have a little bit of salt sitting here on the ground. So what we're going to do is turn this on and give it an idea of how it works out. So I actually think that did a really good job. You know, it got everything. Maybe there's a little bit more here on the sides, probably. That really was nice. It collected all the salt. You can see it's all sitting inside there.
I was looking for a little vacuum for my car and I came up to this on Amazon. It comes in this nice case, everything inside here, and the nice thing about this is that you don't need to power to like to electric plug, but just to your car plug. So that's quite nice, and comes with a bunch of accessories. So I'm gonna install it and show you how it works. What I love about this is that it comes in with a super long cable, and the attachment here is so right now easy. I'm gonna try it out. Let's just attach it, and this is the vacuum. As you can see, it already captured a lot of dust and works great. You just attach it to your car and it's a nice portable vacuum for your car. Inside you get also an extra filter and extra tools to make your car cleaning easier. I will definitely keep this in my car whenever I need to clean it from some dust. You cannot do real car detailing, but you can use it to do most of the jobs. It's great to have in every emergency. If you spill something in the car, it's great